Hello, my name is Michelle Mendez, and I'm a member of the Catholic Charities Archdiocese of Washington Immigration Legal Services team. By now you have heard of President Obama's recent announcement concerning executive action on immigration. On November 20th, the President announced they plan to provide temporary immigration relief to immigrants who meet certain qualifications. Right now, I want to explain what has changed and who it might impact. Please be aware that every day, many people who are eligible for immigration help are defrauded by people who are not licensed to practice law and who are not accredited legal representatives. This is a huge problem that affects our community. You may confirm the credentials of the representative by asking them if they are an attorney or a Board of Immigration Appeals accredited representative. If they indicate that they are an attorney, you want to ask them if they are a member of a bar in one of the 50 states in the United States. You also want to ask for proof of said membership. For example, in my office, I have a diploma of my bar, which is Maryland Court of Appeals. If they are an accredited representative, they will normally have a certificate issued by the Board of Immigration Appeals indicating their accreditation. Please also note that these representatives can only work for a certified nonprofit organizations such as Catholic Charities. The expanded DACA initiative will not come into effect until 90 days from the date of the announcement on November 20th. The expansion of DACA will allow individuals to apply for work authorization and to have protection from deportation if they enter the United States before January 1st, 2010, or under the age of 16 when they entered the country, and meet certain educational and public safety requirements yet to be determined. The DAPA program will not begin until 180 days from the date of the announcement, again on November 20th. DAPA will allow parents of U.S. citizens or legal permanent residents who have resided in the United States since January 1st, 2010, currently live in the United States, have no lawful status, and have no significant criminal convictions to apply for work authorization and to have protection from deportation. Please be aware that fraudulent services looking to take advantage of the immigrant community will be trying to tell you that you can apply for something right now. You should not be paying anybody to apply for this sort of relief because there's nothing to apply for right now. It's going to take 90 days for expanded DACA to take effect and 180 days for DAPA to take effect. If you believe that you qualify for either of these initiatives, these are the steps that you can take right now. First, you should start collecting and saving the money that we believe will be the application fee. In the past, the application fee for DACA was $465, so we believe that's going to be the amount for these expanded forms of relief. Keep in mind that you will also likely incur some legal fees as well, so you want to save some money for those legal fees. Number two, obtain a form of personal identification like a passport, birth certificate. Number three, please gather proof of your relationship to a U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident. Of course, a birth certificate is the best form of proof for that. Number four, gather proof of how long you have been in the United States, how much proof you need to indicate that you have been in the United States since January 1st, 2010. Well, it depends, but you should try to amount for proof for each month since then. If you cannot account for each month, then try to get every other month or something a little bit more frequent. And number six, and most important, please stay informed. Please go to Catholic Charities. We are here for you in 4 different locations. We have a location in Gaithersburg, Maryland, a location in Silver Spring, Maryland, in Mount Pleasant neighborhood of Washington, D.C., and in downtown Washington, D.C. We are here every week. We have open consultations at each of our offices. You can also visit the USCIS website, which is www.uscis.gov. It's very important that you go to the address that says gov at the end because there are, unfortunately, imposter websites out there. So stay informed and go to the right places for the right adequate help, and you will not become a victim of notario or unauthorized practice of law fraud. For more information and immigration updates, please visit, again, our website or come see us in person at www.catholiccharities.dc.org, and we are here to help you.